Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are fine. So guys, today's video I will be making this amazing hair grow clarifying detoxifying black soap shampoo. So in there I have my bamboo leaf, I have rosemary as well. So I've already washed this before. I'm just going to twist it, then I'll put it inside my pot. If you want, you can pluck your rosemary leaf and throw away the stick. If you want, you can use both the stick and the leaf. This is perfectly fine. So now I'm just going to put everything inside. As you can see, to my returning subscriber, you are welcome. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all. So here I have my black I have my black cumin seed here. So this is so beneficial for our hair, help to promote hair growth, help with hair loss and all that good stuff, like everything good. So now I'm going to cook that thing. So while that is cooking, so let me bring you to the oil. So I'm going to prepare the oil. Here I have rice oil. So I have avocado oil here, which is really good to moisturize our hair. I love avocado oil, both the mask and all that. So here I have olive oil, which I really love olive oil so much. So guys, the next is I have my sunflower oil is amazing for our hair as well. So here I have my sweet almond oil. So guys, I have here my pumpkin seed oil. So I also have my Indian hemp seed oil. I have coconut oil, and this is castor oil, and this is vitamin E. I have safflower oil. I have wheat germ oil. I also use this is palm oil and shea butter. I also use what they call it again. I don't know why am I forgetting the name of this one yourself. So guys, if I remember, I will tell you guys. So now I have all the oils here. So as you can see, I'm just going to melt everything. So I'm going to add my emulsifying wax. So if you have any other thickener, you can also add it at this point. I have my SMA powder. So yeah, because SMA is rich in sulfur, and sulfur is good for our hair growth. Now we have our oil. I'm going to set this aside. So here I have my dodo black soap. You can use any other African black soap that you have, even if it's not dodo, let it just be African black soap is fine. So now I'm just going to use my knife to cut the dodo, as you can see. So now to my returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate your love and support. If you are new here, you are also welcome. Thank you so much for coming to watch today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends and family, like and comment. So if you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for your love. Thank you for everything you guys have been watching my video. I appreciate all that. So now if you can use all, if you don't want to, you can use half if you are using the dodo or sun. So if you are using any other black, so just aim it like the one that you know you can use maybe in the period of 1 month or 2. So now I'm just going to use every single of the dodo or sun. Don't mind the shaking of the light, some people are disturbing. So I'm just going to just cut everything. As you can see, I'm just going to use all the dodo or sun. But this soap is not only for my hair alone, it's also for my skin, because I love Africa black soap as well on the skin. So yeah, now my water leaf is ready. So I later added my dry mint leaf. I don't even know I have that. So when I saw it, it's already dry, so I just decided to throw it inside in case you are seeing something there. So this is the mint leaf that I'm talking about. So I later add it to it. So yeah, so now it's ready. I just pour the hot water inside the soap, inside the dodo soap. So as you can see, I just pour the hot water inside. That is going to help to melt the dodo. So here I have my lemon juice, so I'm going to add that as well. Lemon juice is good to detoxify our scalp, remove build-up, and also promote a growth. I also have glycerin. Glycerin is good to add moisture to our hair. So now everything, all the oil is have melted, so I'm going to add the soap to it now. Then we are going to be mixing it until the oil and the water are well combined together. Then I'm going to bring down the soap and off the stove. So so yeah guys, this is just easy process. So now I've already bring down the soap. I'm going to put it put cold water under it so that it will get cold easily. You can put this one in the fridge, so I'll just use cold water so that it can get cold easily, so that you don't have to waste too much of time waiting for it to cool down. So don't worry, when it cool down, all these bubbles, you are not going to see them anymore. When the shampoo get tinker a little bit, like just normal black soap you can buy, you can use it as it is now. So now after some hours, this is how our black soap is looking like now. As you can see, it's a bit thick now. I think this is the perfect consistency for shampoo. And what do you guys think? If yours is too thick, you can add water to it. There's no problem at all. So if you want yours to be a little bit lighter, that means you are going to use just 1 spoon of emulsifying wax. If you want yours to be like this, you can use 2 spoons of emulsifying wax. And when you add preservative to this now, it's going to also loosen up a little bit. So I add preservative, guys. Even if I didn't show you guys, I add it later on. I forgot to add it before, so I would not remember, so I decided to add it off camera. So I add preservative. So I'm just going to use my funnel to put the product inside my container. It was not really easy at all. Then here I remember that I did not add preservative. Then I add preservative. As you can see, now it's loosened up a little bit because of the preservative. So guys, here is our Africa black soap shampoo. So this can replace your daily just shampoo, both your body, for your hair to your toe. Okay, yeah, this is from your hair to your toe. You can use it anywhere, on your face, your body, your hair. It's a very good shampoo. Like the other ingredients we add to it, is going to boost and detoxify, exfoliate your skin. You know, black soap is very good for skin as well. Like they really kind of deep cleanse the skin. So when you use it on your hair, it's also going to remove all the dandruff, unwanted property on our scalp. So guys, here I have like about, this is 100 ml, 200 ml, and that is about something m. So we have a lot of black soap for our body and also for our hair. So it's not oily. So if you want to use much oil, just make sure that you do not use too much of oil, so that the oil will not empower the shampoo, and it's not going to be too much oily, and it's not good. Just make it like use the smaller spoon to measure your oil, so that you will not use too much of oil. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for the back. Ciao. Ciao.